will be a fun ride home.
Hi. We're back on the river, or I am, and they are. Come along.
Come on, TJ.
We went magnet fishing because of my last episode, and then everybody wanted to go magnet fishing. So here we are. We didn't catch nothing, except for he got wet because he got stuck, and he lost the rock, paper, scissors, so he had to go in. What a stunning young man he is.
Young?
A stunning man. Anyway, now we're going to get back on the motorcycles, and I'll talk to you there. I won't be drunk this time. I might be. You never know. Okay, bye.
We go to my garage. We're going to get drunk.
I gotta work in the morning.
I don't.
Yeah. Just got off work. But it was too nice not to ride in today at 3:30 this morning. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Let's be off, shall we? On the river, no matter where I go. See? Yep. It's party time. Actually, it's gas time. What's that say? Okay. It was almost party time. It's not party time yet. Come on, party time. Oh. Oh. Come now. Alright, now we're partying, and we're on the road, and we're off work. Hi, I'm Father Bobber. If you're new here, I ride my motorcycle and act like an idiot and do stupid stuff, and it's fun. If you haven't subscribed already, motorcycles! I should go there. Then subscribe and party with me. If you already have subscribed, we've been partying this whole time. Even if you didn't know, we've been partying. Ah, yes. Man, I should go back to the motorcyclists. But I'm meeting up today with the Flynch MotoVlog because after watching my last video, a lot of people really took an interest in magnet fishing, even though I didn't catch anything. So he went and bought a magnet, and I'm going to meet up with him, and we're going to do some magnet fishing, even though I forgot my magnet. I packed everything this morning except for my magnet. So I'm going to let him have all the fun, and I'll do some vlogging. I'll record the adventure, and when we pull up pirate treasure, I'll have it on the video. It's too nice to just go home and go to bed. Because I wake up at 3:30 in the morning, and I have to go to bed pretty early, but I don't feel like it. I'm not really feeling it, Mr. Krabs. Oh, and yeah, my new gloves, the Kemimotros. I'm really happy with them. The first couple rides, my palm right here, I had to break it in because it was really stiff and it was making my hand sore, but now it's broken in and formed to my hand, and it feels great. Hi, wavy. Gooses. Do 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 do. Gooses. Motorcycle. Wavy. Don't. Do not. Doggy. Oh. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Guys, motorcycles. Yay. Oh, with all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 waves. Motorcycles. Oh, and there's one in front of me. Wait a tick. I know that color and I know that bike. Ladies and gentlemen, the Flynch MotoVlog. What do you know? There's a Father Bobber sticker on that fairing. Yep. No, I'm not passing you, I'm meeting you. It's me! It's me! Look at all the motorcycles! Yay! I said, no, I'm not passing you, I'm meeting up with you. Oh, we got something.
Yeah. I can feel it. Alright, Father Bobber. I'll let you take over.
Alright.
See if you can get it loose for me. Play it stuck up this one. The important thing to know is magnets are cheap. Amazon is your friend.
Well, who's going in? I go and shoot.
Okay. Go on in.
Just pull your...
Yeah.
They got the masterful TJ behind the camera. Take a bow. There it is. It's hot dad summer. Hot father summer, and we're going. Woo! Oh, I don't think it's that deep. You're gonna have to go all the way in.
Oh, yeah.
was fun. Just a little after-work adventure with the Flynch and my buddy TJ. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here in Warsaw. Thanks for tuning in again. Just feel free to subscribe if you enjoy my shenanigans and all the silly things that I do. Just hanging out with friends. There might be some more magnet fishing. We just wanted to give it another go since he wanted to try it out. He got excited, got a new magnet. We got it stuck. He had to get in the water. That was fun. We rock, paper, scissors for that. I was down to get in, but, you know, he lost. So, what can you do? Anyway, like and subscribe and come back next time. Watch my previous videos. There'll be one hanging out here somewhere. Hey, guy on a bike. And you can follow my Instagram, thefather_bobber. Jay, look, he has a Father Bobber sticker on his helmet. So cute. Motorcycle!